Hi, happy Easter. I'm gonna make some potato pancakes today. I got 3 potatoes. I'm just removing some of the bigger blemishes from them. Use those peels later to make some prison vodka. And you can do that in your food processor or wherever, but that's fine. And these are in here. And we're going to let them soak for at least half an hour. Give them a stir and maybe even change the water off again and do it again. But a half an hour for sure. Alright, so our potatoes are soaking. I rinsed them off once. We're going to use some onion. I don't like grating the onion, I like chopping it up a little bit more. Got that chopped up. We're going to drain off our potatoes. We really want to make sure we get all the water off. Now grab them by the handful. Squeeze the remaining liquid out. Taking out your aggression here. So it's about 3 medium potatoes and about 1 medium onion. Alright, we got that. Add our onion to it. Now we need some binder to hold it all together. I'm going to crack an egg. Give it a whisk. Add that in. A little bit of flour. That's a good tablespoon and a half. And now it's a little bit more. You can always adjust the moisture level. Some salt. Let's go a good teaspoon. Some fresh cracked pepper. A little bit of paprika. And it also needs some parsley. I have some flat leaf parsley here. You'll notice my flat leaf parsley looks an awful lot like cilantro. That's mostly because it is cilantro. Very close in flavors, and you know, we use what we got while we're doing the isolation kitchen. Anytime I'm doing herbs, I like to just kind of roll them up. going to start to mix them in. Alright. That's kind of what our mix looks like here. Now we're going to get them frying. We have our cast iron here. The oil's just starting to shimmer, probably a little bit too hot, but it'll cool down as soon as I put some of the mix in there. So I'm going to take my big spoon here, kind of pre-form the patty, and work it in there. There we go, we kind of pat it down. We're going to take it a couple minutes aside. There we go, that's a little bit better. Nice little golden brown look on them. Now if you go to almost every Eastern European country, be it Polish, Germany, Russia, there's something similar to this in the cuisine. Okay, I'm going to take these off. Drain off some of the excess fat. And as these are we're cooking up the rest of them, I'm going to put them on a tray in my toaster oven. I got that set at about 180, it'll keep them warm. Just in those couple minutes the dough was sitting extra. It kind of bound together nicer. Alright, so we have our potato pancakes here. Let's serve them with a little bit of sour cream. Just a little bit of salt. A bit of cracked pepper. I think they turned out pretty good. Nice and golden brown. Made them real quick. Real easy. A little bit of that sour cream. Yum. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please give this recipe a try. It was not difficult at all. What I made is going to make about 7 pancakes about this size, so it's a good meal for 2 people. And they heat up well, so I'll probably have these for breakfast in the morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that kind of stuff. And enjoy.